Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can use emoji in your Visual Studio Code. So we are going to add one extension to use emoji in a VS Code. So let's jump into the VS Code. So as you can see that my VS Code, we don't have anything, we just have one folder and we have one index.html. So before we start implementing the emoji, you have to add one extension called emoji hints. Okay, so I have already installed this extension, so you need to install this extension in the VS Code in order to enable the emoji. So once you install the emoji, then you have to go to the setting, and in setting you have to go to the extension. Okay, so this is the extension, and inside that you have to click the emojis hints, and here you have to go to the edit in settings.json file. So here you can see that I have a lot of stuff added. So once you install this extension, so you won't get this all of option. Okay, so you need to basically add this option under this object, emojis hints dot language. So I know it's very hard to write all these properties. So what I will do, I will provide a GitHub link, and so that you can copy all this property into this heading.json file. Okay, so once you copy all this property in the heading.json file, you have to just save the heading.js, and you have to just close it, and I will show you here in a single HTML file, and I will generate some snippet here, and I will give like heading emoji in VS Code. Okay, and sorry, and I will introduce the emoji. So suppose you want to see the smile face, so the smile face you can give something faces. So you have to give colon, and you have to type like smile. Okay, and sorry, and I will run with this live server. So this is already running, and if you don't have live server, then you have to install that extension also. So you can just type live server. So yeah, so you have to install this live server, so that you will get this option open with live server. So I won't open because it's already running on port 5500. So I won't open. Now let's go into the browser. So you can see that we got our emoji, and this will work in any language, whether it's React, I mean any framework like React and Angular. If you done this setup, it will work anywhere. Okay, not in like only HTML, it will work in React, Angular, Vue, anywhere, once you set up the emoji in your VS Code. So let's add some styling like text align center, and I will add like a cry face here. So cry face, you can type cry, and you can also add some more emoji, like you can give relief emoji, So you can type relief here, so you will get relief emoji. So likewise you can add emoji whatever your requirement. As per requirement you can add your emoji in the VS Code. So I hope you understand how you can enable emoji in your VS Code. I will provide the link of this object. I mean this entire object you need to have in order to have the emoji in the VS Code. So that's it guys from this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share the video, subscribe this channel as well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.